Hi guys, just thought to show you my latest project, Checkbox for Excel. What Checkbox is, it's just a lovely little animated checkbox. So I've created a simple Christmas to-do list there and just 5 checkboxes which are made up of 2 shapes. So just click in each checkbox in turn, you'll just see a lovely smooth animation to a tick, and then if we go down the list again, a nice animation to remove the tick. Just using it's using easeOutQuad, I think I put on it. So each checkbox is just made up of 2 shapes. So if we just bring up the selection pane and click on the first checkbox, I put protection on just so you don't click on it, right click on a shape, so you can just remove that. So we just click on a checkbox and then a tick. You'll see it's just two shapes together basically. They're not grouped, they're just on their own. So we can just go down the list like that. And actually, if you move one of the shapes away, so if we just grab the tick and move it away, you'll see that you can actually just create the same effect just by clicking on the 2 shapes. So that's all they are, and each shape has a macro assigned to it. So the checkbox has got a simple checkbox click macro, and then the tick shape has got a tick click macro. Okay, if I bring up the code, you'll see there's a checkbox click and a tick click. So the checkbox tick goes to the checkbox click, and the tick click goes to the tick click, and then it just runs a simple animation, and you can adjust the frame speed. I've included a couple of macros just so you can check your list. So if we click a couple of items there, and then we just run the test all checkbox states macro, you'll see it brings write a letter to Santa and then decorate a gingerbread house, the second one on the list. So there it is, simple animated checkbox for Excel.